This top-of-the-line professional-grade hand vacuum cup HVC is made of strong durable metals together with an ergonomic handle and features an integrated vacuum gauge and hand vacuum pump. This vacuum cup lifter has the capacity for any manual lift. It is rugged and dependable. 3 strokes of the hand lever produces full vacuum. Vacuum can be continuously monitored via the vacuum gauge. Additional pumping can be done at any time. This top-of-the-line professional-grade oval hand vacuum cup lifter is made of strong durable metals with an ergonomic handle including an integrated vacuum gauge and a hand vacuum pump. It is suitable for non-porous materials with both smooth and curved surfaces such as glass, stone and steel pipes. The vacuum is created by pulling the hand pump repeatedly. The vacuum can be continuously monitored via the pressure gauge. Additional pumping can be done at any time. The hand vacuum cup HVC01 contains a hand-actuated, spring-balanced pump and is made of strong durable metals together with an ergonomic handle with the capacity for any manual lift. It is an inexpensive way to improve efficiency. The HVC01 is suitable for use on all smooth non-porous surfaces. The hand vacuum cup HVC and oval hand vacuum cup OHVC produce a very high level of vacuum of more than 95% in a matter of seconds. Hand-actuated, spring-balanced pump-type vacuum cups universally produce a vacuum level of only 70%, as compared to 95% vacuum produced by the Aardwolf hand vacuum cup lifters.
To find out more or to contact us, please visit aardwolf.com.au.